Hello, I'm Jason from the Deepernauts, and welcome to AtomOS 2.0. In this video, we're going to look at...
Once you log into your device, head over to Settings. The first thing you'll see is Wi-Fi settings. If you have a device like an Air or any of the devices with a Wi-Fi dongle attached, you can change any of the Wi-Fi settings from this page. Now let's move on to Sharing and then start with Sharing Configuration. Sharing configuration is where you can participate in the Deepernauts or not. Once you enable sharing, you can enable or disable BitTorrent sharing, set any monthly traffic or data traffic limitations, as well as enable SMTP sharing, which makes sure that your emails are more secure. The sharing blacklist is very simple. You can apply web filter rule, which will make sure that your current blacklist is applied to your sharing. Or you can upload your own private blacklist specifically for sharing. The sharing logs are very simple. It's all the traffic through your device from outside nodes. You can input a start time and an end time and then download plain text logs as well as the encrypted logs. Sharing traffic is a visual representation of the traffic that has been shared through your device. Through the Settings tab, you can change your password to something new, which is the main login to your device once you access 34.34.34.34, and you can reboot your device or schedule a reboot. I recommend scheduling a reboot once a week just to make sure that your device is up and running as best as possible.
Make sure you're subscribed to follow up on all of the new features of AtomOS 2.0 and the Deepernauts.
Deepernauts. Of the users, by the users, for the users.